Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best window cleaner kit is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a pristine home, and today we're diving deep into the Fuller Brush Full Crystal Window Cleaner Kit, a product that promises streak-free, crystal-clear windows with remarkable ease. If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing only to be left with frustrating streaks and smudges, then this kit might just be the game-changer you've been searching for, offering a professional-level clean right in your own home. Number 5. Simple Green Oxy Solve Total Outdoor Cleaner Concentrate. Introducing Simple Green Oxy Solve, your ultimate solution for outdoor cleaning. This powerful concentrate is designed for a variety of surfaces, making your outdoor spaces look their best. Its peroxide-powered formula safely cleans wood, vinyl, concrete, and more without harsh chemicals. You can have peace of mind knowing it's safe around children and pets. One bottle covers up to 6,400 square feet, saving you money compared to professional services. Tackle your spring cleaning projects with ease and efficiency. Whether you're a homeowner, real estate agent, or contractor, this cleaner is perfect for preparing spaces for events, staging homes, or finishing jobs. Ideal for businesses maintaining storefronts or homeowners restoring outdoor furniture. Easily remove stubborn grime from driveways, fences, and walkways. This cleaner is EPA Safer Choice certified, ensuring a responsible choice for your cleaning needs. Enjoy a cleaner outdoor space with confidence. What we like. This concentrate is a powerful outdoor cleaner. It's peroxide-powered and EPA Safer Choice certified, making it safe for families and pets. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner for decks, siding, and concrete that's also environmentally friendly, this is a great choice. What people say. It cleans windows and mirrors without streaks. The cleaner is very effective and leaves no residue. Number 4. Crystal Powder Outdoor Cleaner Refill Kit. Introducing our revolutionary Outdoor Cleaner Refill Kit. It's designed for a powerful, yet gentle clean for all your exterior surfaces. This non-toxic formula tackles tough dirt and grime without any harsh chemicals. Enjoy a sparkling clean, naturally. Forget about tedious scrubbing and rinsing. Simply mix the powder with water and let it work its magic. It's that easy. Each bag makes a generous amount of cleaning solution, up to 640 fluid ounces. This means fewer purchases and more value for you. Our refill packets are an eco-conscious choice for maintaining your outdoor spaces. Clean your home while being kind to the planet. Just add water to the powder and you're ready to go. It's the simplest way to achieve a brilliant shine on your outdoor areas. What we like. This refill kit uses crystal powder packets for outdoor cleaning. It's non-toxic, requires no scrubbing, and each bag makes a large amount of cleaner. If you prefer a convenient, eco-friendly powder format and want to avoid harsh chemicals, this is ideal. What people say. The cleaner works great on windows and mirrors. It leaves windows streak-free and sparkling clean. The kit includes everything you need for a professional clean. Number 3. Full Crystal Window Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Full Crystal Window Cleaning Kit. Achieve streak-free shine with our powerful formula and extended reach tool. This kit includes a 16-ounce glass cleaner and a bottle designed for convenience. It's perfect for tackling all your window cleaning needs. Each 4-ounce bag of concentrate makes up to 640 fluid ounces of cleaner. That's enough to clean up to 80 windows. Our innovative formula means no scrubbing or rinsing is required. Simply spray and wipe for a brilliant finish. The 27-foot reach allows you to clean even the highest windows safely and easily from the ground. Enjoy crystal clear views with this all-in-one cleaning solution. It's the ultimate tool for a spotless home. What we like. This is a complete window cleaning kit with a long reach bottle. It's designed to clean a large number of windows without scrubbing or rinsing. If you have many windows to clean and want a simple, effective solution with extended reach, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It is a great window cleaner. It is easy to use and leaves windows streak-free. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. Number 2. Windex Outdoor Glass Cleaner. Introducing Windex Outdoor Glass Cleaner, designed for a powerful deep clean. Its concentrated formula tackles tough outdoor grime with ease. Enjoy a streak-free shine without ammonia. This cleaner is safe and effective for all your outdoor glass surfaces. A little goes a long way with our concentrated formula. It provides exceptional cleaning power for your patio and windows. Simply attach it to any hose for a convenient cleaning experience. It's designed for maximum compatibility. Achieve a brilliant shine on your outdoor spaces. It's perfect for patios, windows, and more. Get 2 bottles of our effective outdoor cleaner. This pack ensures you have plenty for multiple uses. What we like. This outdoor cleaner is designed to work with any hose for a deep clean. Its ammonia-free, concentrated formula is effective on outdoor surfaces. If you're looking for an easy-to-use spray that attaches to your hose for a thorough outdoor clean, this is a convenient option. What people say. It works great on my windows and mirrors. I love that it leaves no streaks and is easy to use. Number 1. Fuller Brush Grout and Tile Clean. Tired of tough dirt and scum buildup? This cleaner is the quick and easy way to tackle grime on your bathroom surfaces, kitchen tiles, and grout lines. Its thick, foaming action clings to surfaces, dissolving the toughest dirt, grime, and soap scum with ease. It works effectively without harming most surfaces. This versatile cleaner can restore the shine to fiberglass, porcelain, ceramic, and stainless steel. It's also great for vinyl and plastic surfaces. Clean effectively with a non-abrasive formula that is free of phosphates and chlorine bleach. It's biodegradable and safe for most household surfaces. Since 1906, Fuller Brush has been providing high-quality, American-made cleaning solutions. Trust in a brand designed to work and built to last. What we like. This is a heavy-duty cleaner specifically for grout and tile. It's designed to tackle tough buildup in bathrooms and kitchens. If you have stubborn grime, soap scum, or mineral deposits on your tiled surfaces and want a powerful yet safe cleaner, this product is a great solution. What people say. It is a great product for cleaning windows. The product is easy to use and leaves windows streak-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.